Hello friends, I am Arun Kumar from BTech IT third year. I am going to take a seminar about data link layer from computer networks. Introduction. Data link layer is second layer of OSI layered model. This layer is one of the most complicated layers and has complex functionalities and liabilities. Data link layer hides the details of underlying hardware and represents itself to upper layer as the medium to communicate. Data link layer works between two hosts. Data link layer is responsible for converting data stream to signals bit by bit and to send that over the underlying hardware. Data link layer has two sublayers. They are logical link control and media access control. Logical link control. It deals with protocols, flow control and error control. Media access control. It deals with the actual control of media. OSI reference model. They are application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link and physical. Data link layer is known as link layer control. Multiple access control (MA). Data link layer or data link control is responsible for error and flow control. Multiple access control is responsible for forming and MAC address and multiple access control. Functionality of data link layer. Forming. Data link layer takes packets from network layer and encapsulates them into frames. Then it sends each frame bit by bit on the hardware. At a receiver end, data link layer picks up signals from hardware and assembles them into frames. Addressing. Data link layer provides layer 2 hardware addressing mechanism. Hardware address is assumed to be unique on the link. It is encoded into hardware at the time of manufacturing. Synchronization. When data frames are sent on the link, both mechanics and must be synchronized in order to transfer to take place. Error control. Sometimes signal may have encountered problem in transaction and the bits are flipped. These errors are detected and attempted to recover actual data bits. It also provides error reporting mechanism to the sender. Flow control. Stations on same link may have different speed or capacity. Data link layer ensures flow control that enables both mechanisms to exchange data on same speed. Multiple access control. When host on shared link tries to transfer the data, it has a high probability of collision. Data link layer provides mechanisms such as CSMA and CD to equip capability of accessing the shared media among multiple systems. These are all the services of data link layer. Forming and link access, reliable delivery, flow control, error detection, error correction, and half duplex and full duplex. Forming and link access. Data link layer protocols encapsulate each network frame within a link layer frame before the transmission across the link. A frame consists of a data field in which network layer datagram is inserted and a number of data fields. It specifies the structure of frame as well as a channel access protocol by which frame is to be transmitted over the link. Reliable delivery. transmits the network layer datagram without any error. A reliable delivery service is accomplished with transmissions and acknowledgements. Flow control. A receiving node can receive the frames at the faster rate than it can process this frame. Without flow control, the receiver buffer can overflow and the frames can get lost. To overcome this problem, the data link layer uses the flow control. Error detection. Errors can be introduced by signal attenuation and noises. This layer protocols provides a mechanism to detect one or more errors. This is achieved by adding error detection bits in the frame, and the receiving node can perform an error check. Error correction. Error correction is similar to the error detection, except the receiving node not only detect the errors but also determine when the errors have occurred in the frame. This is the difference between error correction and error detection. Half duplex and full duplex. In a full duplex mode, both the nodes can transmit the data at the same time. In half duplex mode, only one node can transmit the data at the same time. Data link layer addressing. This is the diagram of formatting data for transmission. Link layer header format. Protocols. Data link protocols. Synchronous data link protocol. High level data link control. Serial line interface protocol. Point to point protocol. Link control protocol. Link access procedure. Network control protocol. We will see about some protocols. Point to point protocol. It is a communication protocol of a data link layer that is used to transmit multi-protocol data between two direct connected point-to-point computers. These fields of PPP frame or PPP frame. Flag address control protocol. Payload FCS flag. Flag. It is of 1 byte that will bit pattern address. 1 byte which is set to numbers in case of broadcast. Control. 1 byte set to a constant value of protocol. 1 or 2 bytes that define the type of data contained in the payload field. Payload. This carries the data from the network layer. The maximum length of the payload field is 1500 bytes. FCS. It is a 2 byte or 4 bytes. Frame check sequence for error detection. High level data link control. High level data link control SDLC is a group of communication protocols of a data link layer for transmitting data between network points or nodes. These fields often high level data link control frame or flag. It is an 8-bit sequence with a bit pattern. Address. It contains the address of a receiver. The address field may be from 1 byte to several bytes. Control. It is 1 or 2 bytes containing flow and error control information. Payload. This carries the data from the network layer. Its length may vary from one network to another. FCS. It is a 2 byte or 4 bytes check from frame check sequence for error detection. The standard code used in CRS. Cyclic refinery code. These are all the details of data link layer from computer networks. Thank you all.